Okay, here we go. This is what a Formula E car feels like. My gosh, it's low. I can't see very well. Wow. Okay. I've got to take it easy on this first. I'm not saying a lot, getting used to it. Wow, no power steering, no ABS, no traction control to speak of. That lateral grip is like no car with a full body can really manage. Wow, that grip is insane. Shit. Okay, so I've got to press an awful lot harder on the brake and be way more committed on the brake. And we're not on slick tyres. Yeah, full lock is quite hard actually. Full throttle is not actually the impressive bit. It's the lateral grip. That turn-in is ridiculous. And this is a Gen 1 car being driven by a sheer amateur. Wow, we're onto the straight for the first time now. I'm looking right down the front wing. Wind noise is massive. Chicane, chicane. Wow, that turn, that ability is incredible. Over the brow. Went in a little bit. Unwind. Yeah, blind crest. Really can't see that so well in this car. You've got to be so forceful with your left foot on the brake, which does feel very unnatural if anyone's ever driven a race car with you. Yes, getting in the groove now. Oh yes. Okay, nice and wide. Remember the corners. Hard out of the chicane. Brake, 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 brake. Turn, turn, turn. Oh my word. This is so physical. So physical. So physical, but so good. So amazing. Well, I've waited a long time to have a go in this car. It does not feel anything like I've driven. Single seaters are a totally different breed. Totally different breed. Up to the start finish, flat on the throttle, and then link that cone to that cone. Oh, that chicane is mental. Unwind, 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 unwind. All the way out. Brake straight, brake straight. Don't be a dick. Get that chicane right, not onto the kitty litter. Go right. Brake, 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 brake. Turn in. Brake, brake. Brake on the straight, brake on the straight. The pace you can maintain on a corner compared to any road car is just like no other. It is like no other, I tell you. It's hard to explain. I'm trying. Wrong line, wrong racing line. Got too excited. Brake, brake, brake. This is my last half lap. Okay, we're flying. It's not about the top speed. That's not the mad bit, actually. The mad bit is what you can do when you go in and out of a corner. Really dive in. Okay, this is the end of it. Man, I want to now have a go in a second gen car. Wow. Man, my throat is so dry. Feel like I've just had a big old stack of Jacob's cream crackers and no drink for hours. I'm steaming up. I'm steaming up in here. Actually, the left foot on the brake constantly did not feel as alien as I thought it would. I'm sat so tight in this little tub. Wow, I reckon a dozen more laps you could start to really get in the groove, and that's someone like me who doesn't learn circuits easily. That's what I would want. That was incredible. I did sort of go off into the litter a little. Wow. And there's the Batista. The whole reason why we're here, really.